Hello and welcome to the video where I'm gonna show you how to unmute stories on Instagram. Keep watching this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into it. Now open up the Instagram app. Now firstly, tap on the story that you want to mute. Tap on three dots on the top right and then expanded menu will appear on the screen where you can see the very last option, mute. Tap on it and then again tap on mute story option. Now to unmute the story, go to their profile by searching the name of it and again tap on the story. Then again tap on three dots on the top right and then tap on unmute story option, and here's your story has been unmuted. And that's how easily and quickly you can unmute stories on Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back soon with similar videos. Thank you for watching.